American Furniture Warehouse has plenty of options.
Variety, huge variety. Okay, natural.
You said rolling.
Yeah.
I keep
look
messing up.
We're using that in the outtakes. But,
Hi, I'm Jake Jabs.
American Furniture Warehouse was founded in 1975 when Jake Jabs purchased the struggling American Furniture Company. Since then, Jake's turned that one store into 14 stores spread across 3 states in Arizona, Texas, and Colorado.
you may not know it, but it takes a lot of people doing different jobs to get the furniture from our store to your home.
American Furniture Warehouse has a huge variety of departments spread across the company.
Our over-the-road trucking department picks up furniture from various manufacturers and they deliver it to our warehouses. They also shuttle product between the different distribution centers to take care of the customer in the best way possible. They're almost like the lifeblood of our company.
Receiving is a vital part of our warehouse operation. We receive product in daily and ensure that it is accurate when we enter it into our inventory systems. The teamwork that the receiving department uses ensures that we can get our product to our customers faster.
Pulling is definitely the heart of the warehouse. It takes all products from receiving to various departments in the warehouse, including customer pickup.
In customer service, we take calls from not only customers, but from delivery departments and other departments within the company. We make sure that we are providing the best possible solution for the customer.
Delivery Prep assembles all of our furniture by hand and does quality control inspections to make sure your furniture is in perfect condition before arriving to your house.
Staging and design is a team that works together. We work very hard trying to bring the wow factor to our showroom.
It's a small team of really creative individuals, and it's our job to showcase all of the furniture on the floor so that when our customers come in, they can really envision it inside their home.
Our sales staff at AFW were well trained, and we really try just to be there to assist the customer. It's a no pressure sales system, so when the customer has a question, needs assistance, or is ready to purchase, we're there and available to help them and get them taken care of.
Front office provides excellent customer service while working with customers and doing various things such as completing orders, verifying stock, and coordinating truck rentals. We're very helpful up there. We help the salesmen with anything that they need, and we also answer customers' questions as best as we can, and we also just ring out accessories as well.
Customer pickup is the last point of contact before leaving our building. They greet you with world-class customer service, load your new furniture into your vehicle, and tie it down to make sure it gets home safely.
Our delivery team provides delivery service to your home to ensure your furniture is put together correctly and also displayed how you would like it.
Our truck shop is a group of skilled mechanics that do preventative maintenance and services to our entire fleet of vehicles. They do an amazing job on keeping us on the road.
AFW is an amazing place to work. We like to take care of our employees, and we offer things like on-site gyms, furniture discounts, and a great benefits package that includes things like tuition reimbursement, 401k, company paid life insurance, and personal days off.
We like to promote from within when we're looking for new leaders. We have an on-site leadership development program that we utilize to help our leaders understand things such as employment law, diversity, and other things to help them become successful.
Our starting wages is higher than a lot of companies throughout the market. We like to take care of our employees.
The culture at American Furniture Warehouse is awesome.
Our culture is strong, and it shows from our owner, Jake, all the way down the line to our employees.
We care about our employees at American Furniture Warehouse and do everything that we can to help them advance in their future careers.
Everybody here is pretty much just like family. Everyone's super helpful with whatever you need.
It really is like one big family. We do what we can to help each other out.
We're such a diverse company with people from every background you can think of. It really makes us who we are.
The company is super great all in all. There's very great opportunity for advancement here. And overall, I just really enjoy it.
I love working at AFW.
Me encanta trabajar para American Furniture Warehouse.
I love working at AFW.
I love working at AFW.
Me encanta trabajar en AFW.
I really do love working at AFW.
I love working for American Furniture Warehouse.
I truly love working for American Furniture Warehouse.
I love working at American Furniture Warehouse, and I know you will too. So come on down.